Hey everybody, just wanted to share a quick tip that was really fun. So this is a paper like heat absorbent type of cup for coffee, right? And it's like paper. And I packed in there soft butter, not melted butter, but like firm but soft butter, and I added different spices. This one I did dill. And the other one I did, here we go. Here's the cup, and I sliced the side of it. Okay, I had it in the freezer for about an hour. That's all it took. And so now this is my butter candle. Isn't that cool? So now I'm going to, and I put a wick in the center, of the candle, which is again of butter. So hang on, I'm doing this with one hand. So they were actually out of the round bread loaves that I would normally choose to purchase, but for now this is what I have because this is what they had in the store. And give me one more second. And you can buy this like Hawaiian bread, and it's like really soft, squishy bread. And so now let me lift this up so you can see. So I put the butter candle in the center, and now I'm going to light it. Hang on, again, I'm trying to do this with one hand. Apologize, but we're making it work, right? Hang on. Okay, here's the flame. Okay, and here is a butter candle. So it's going to take a little bit because it is frozen right now. I'm going to let that wick burn down a little bit, and then I'm going to take the bread surrounding the butter candle, and I am going to have some bread. So it's a really fun way. So again, all you need is a paper cup. You're going to pack it in with soft butter, and again, I seasoned it. Each one I did different spices, and mashed it all up together, stirred it in a big large bowl, then packed it into this paper cup, froze it for 1 hour in the freezer, and then cut the paper cup apart, took the candle out, placed it on a tray. And again, if you had the bread rounds, that would be ideal, but this is what I got. So enjoy. Shalom Shabbat. Have a great night, everybody.